Faithful in little, faithful in much. The ancients knew this law of love. When a partner points to a small thing, a bird, a lyric, a meme, it is not trivia. It is a bid for connection. Modern attention chases spectacle, yet relationships live in micro-decisions. Research by Gottman shows couples who turn toward these bids stay together more. Why? Tiny responses signal safety. Bodies relax. Trust compounds. Here is the quiet it girl pattern. She decides to notice. Internal locus. Outcomes follow choices. She does not wait for impulse. She uses reason to build a simple system that wins small moments. One note on the phone, one follow-up question, one remembered detail. Consistent, not dramatic. The bird is never just a bird. It is a doorway. Read the description for the complete practice and the ancient sources behind this wisdom. The description has the full exercise, plus references to explore this deeper.